What could go wrong, guys? We only have to get 2 wheels on a really small piece. Stuck on the... Ah, stop! What's up, jammers? We're back at Copart. Black Dragon.
We're gonna pick up another truck today. We need more trucks.
Yes, clearly. This is the Buddy build, the 2014 STX 4x4 with 91,000 miles.
Yeah, it's awesome. What color is it?
It's gray. So
gray.
The nickname for this one is?
The Red Robin, the Blue Rocket, the falling...
Gray. Go with gray, and
gray,
then come up with the bird.
Gander.
Gray goose. So stay tuned, guys.
Any surprises?
Yeah, Copart says it's a run and drive, but if you look, the wheel's hanging off, so I don't know
really?
how that's a run and drive.
Well, we're gonna take a look at it here in just a second. All right, everybody, so here's the truck 2014. Gotta love this. Rip the entire wheel off. Gonna have to replace some items in here, obviously, right? We're gonna actually try to start it, see if it'll run. It says, everybody says it's a run and drive. Started right up.
Oh, it started up, son!
That's good news. Sounds good. All this looks pretty good. Upper core support looks good. Bumper's trashed. Okay, so we're gonna get this thing ready to travel. What's the plan, Ryan?
Well, this wheel obviously is off. We don't want to damage the wheel. We know we have to get a new rim because it's obviously bent and damaged, but we don't want it to fall off or get damaged. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically cut the tie rod end off so we can throw this wheel in the rear.
It's bent anyway.
Yep, so here we go.
No?
Nah, I think that rim's shot.
All right, good job, Ryan.
We made it home. We had an axle bearing blowout.
On the trailer.
Yeah, and the truck is obviously missing a wheel. But other than that, it's not too bad.
Hey, Ryan.
What's up?
Hey, man, let's maybe do a little walk around this truck.
All right, let's check it out.
What we got going on?
We got some 35-inch grappler tires here. We have a 3-inch or 3.5-inch lift with a drop bracket, rough country drop bracket. We got this massive bumper on the front with these LED inserts with a winch on it. I mean, it's gorgeous. I mean, other than the fact that it's missing a tire and it's got some body damage. And then obviously we got here. Need a new drive shaft, need a new lower control arm, need a new upper control arm, need a new, this guy.
You know what that is? Brake lines.
Brake line, wire, air line, I mean, everything up here.
Yeah.
This, tie
Sway
rod,
bar. Sway bar bent.
sway bar.
Oh yeah, it's been up and to the right. Yeah, all that.
And then if you look at the drop, the rough country drop system that they have, so that it gets the tire higher, more clearance, this is bent here. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Probably have to do something about this one too, because it's shoved back a little bit.
Yeah.
But I think we can get that with some heat and some hits. Look at that, we've already modified it. Wow, look at that.
It's a trout. Put on your shirt.
There we go, modified. Benefits of Copart, we're gonna now have to replace the rear bumper because they destroyed this rear bumper. Absolutely flipping destroyed it. I don't understand this.
I wonder what the advantage of the STX is over the FX4.
I know one of the things is a column shift.
Oh, because it doesn't have the console shift in the middle. Well, that makes a lot of sense.
Ken, I mean, it's up that someone took the jack. I don't know why that happens. I don't.
Jack wagons.
Flipping jack wagons. So, and then we got this side. Oh yeah, don't forget the.
Makes you wonder. You know what it makes you wonder, Ryan? Makes me wonder if somebody stole it. Wait, whoa! Don't eat those, Ryan.
Dude, they're pretty fresh. So the benefit of buying this truck is it came with a free snack. So.
I cannot believe you just did that.
Did you see this wheel? It blew out.
No, I'm too focused on you eating the 4-month-old open Gardinos or whatever those are called. Gardettos.
I've never had them. They're pretty good.
But everything else looks pretty similar.
Yeah.
It looks pretty clean, dude.
Yeah.
It's definitely cleaner and less smelly than the Lariat, for sure.
Yep, you and the smell.
Right, Ryan?
No comment.
So
right,
here's
guys,
and this is the good side.
Yeah. So, but again, I mean, overall, it's in really good shape. I mean, I know it looks worse than it is, but if you're looking to get a cheap build that doesn't require a lot of body panels, trucks like this, where the front end's shot, are the ideal way to go, because you're gonna spend money rebuilding that front end, but you're not buying body panels. No. And that's where the money's at.
We're painting.
Body panels.
Yeah. All right, Ryan.
What's up, guys?
Whoa, what's up?
I got a little bit of bling on, dog. Found this jank inside the truck.
You look like a rejected WWF wrestler.
I'm basically Jason Aldean.
Really?
Yep. I'm like country, but hip. Oh, slam. All right, guys. So the plan is to get this thing off the truck. You guys saw us pick it up. So now we got to get it off this trailer in a safe manner. So the plan is to get this little really extremely strong and sturdy dolly and this here piece of wood.
Okay.
Up underneath this.
Okay.
Strap it all together.
Okay.
And use the truck to drive itself backwards off the trailer. Use 6x4s or 4x6s, because Home Depot hates us, to get this up off the air enough to drive the trailer out.
Yeah.
So.
Anybody else worried about this plan?
Nah. What do you think it is, Jay?
I think this is crazy, but I don't know any other way to do it.
I mean, what's crazy? This is hucklebuck to the max.
Now, there are other ways to do this.
Look at that, guys.
None that.
What could go wrong? There it goes. There it goes. What's wrong, buddy? Oh, that dolly's about shot.
Is it gonna make it?
It'll make it to that point, and then we'll have to put another dolly on. Just keep going.
I'm just hitting the front e-brake.
Yeah, you're good. Just keep going.
So I'm gonna fall off that dolly.
Keep going. Hold on, stop for a second. Let me get around there. All right, guys. As you see, we're down here. Got it down on the ground. The rear is on the ground.
The pulse is racing.
As you guys can tell, dolly's doing its job. It's probably not usable after this, but keep going, Jay. Your pulse is racing. Why? What's there to be nervous about?
Right? So the back wheels are down?
Yeah, you're flat on the ground on the rear.
Oh, good. So we're not going to get caught anything, right?
You're about to get caught.
On what? Fender?
No, the wheel, what's that thing we put on there?
Dolly.
Dolly's about to catch on the metal. Just keep going.
I was going to pull it out from underneath it.
I'll tell you if it does.
You tell me after.
All right, keep going, you're good. Keep going.
Dovetail?
All right, hit the brake. All right, Jay, what's the plan?
not have a heart attack.
I'll tell you when to stop.
That's the plan.
What could go wrong, guys? We only have to get 2 wheels on a really small piece. Stuck on the... Oh, stop! That's no bueno.
Alright, so now what?
The caster's rolled and they're stuck on the trailer.
Okay. So what we're gonna do, jack it up? All right, Ryan.
What's up, Charlie?
We have managed to lower this off the trailer.
We got it low enough. We got it on the ground.
Were you nervous at all?
There's only one time when I actually got a little bit scared.
Yeah?
And
but you had your necklace on.
I had my James Aldean necklace on, so.
It's rolling. Let's go slow. Yeah, you gotta crank it to stay on the, you're gonna go off the pavement if you keep going.
The question will be, is that gonna go off? We're gonna have to go forward.
It's already bending.
We're gonna have to go forward.
Go ahead. It's already bending the thing. Well, that's it, she's done. Hey, where'd you get those trolleys at?
Harbor Freight. We're fine, we're just gonna dig. We're just gonna drive it like that and dig.
Yes, that's exactly what we're gonna do.
All right, let's do it.
So you might as well go forward, get straight so you don't have to turn much. I mean, as long as it doesn't come off, here's the key. It can't come off the front end. Wait, stop, 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 stop.
I can't.
What was that, Ryan?
The good news is we didn't damage anything that wasn't damaged. All right, so here's what we need to do. We gotta put the jack under there, and we have to basically slowly push it backwards. Well, Jay,
The Gray Goose.
the Gray Goose is off the Black Dragon. What do you think?
That was a nightmare. That was a living, awake nightmare.
That was pretty sketch. That's pretty sketch, guys.
And I don't know how else we would have done it. I mean, we had some other ideas.
But they would have involved a tow truck. And
Yeah, it's the question. We need to look at the financial-ness of that, because it's like, We ruined what?
$60.
$60 with a dolly, and how much would a tow truck would have been?
Probably 150.
Okay. Well, we saved some money.
And we would have been done in an hour.
Yeah.
As opposed to 3 hours.
You know what?
But they wouldn't have this kind of content.
No, and honestly, we tried to be as safe as we could be, right? I mean, I don't know what else we would have done.
No, I don't know how else we would have done it. Comment down below if you guys had a better idea. We can always use
I'm sure
ideas on how to do things.
Yeah.
We're just kind of playing this thing by ear and figuring it out as we go.
Yeah, try not to get hurt. We're trying really hard not to do that.
Let us know.
We're definitely not trying to be like
dangerous on purpose.
No, we're not. So,
and let us know what you guys think of the Grey Goose. As you guys know, this is a buddy build. We've got tons of parts that have been donated by a lot of people that want to come alongside us and partner with us while we build this truck for a friend, a really dear friend that needs a good truck. So
yeah, it's awesome. It's
gonna be
2014 STX 5.0. It's got a 6-inch rough country lift.
Rough country lift.
Which is like, I looked up the other night, it's like a $1,200 lift.
And it's got 35-inch mud terrain tires.
It's awesome.
It's a 4x4 as well on top of the lift.
Yeah.
We already got.
Well, actually, it's a 3x3.
4x3.
It's a 4x3. That's it.
And we also have a new bumper for it already, guys. So this build, as soon as we get the Red Rocket done, this build's gonna fly.
Cool.
So stay tuned, guys, for the Grey Goose build, and we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!
I thought you were gonna go.